Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to have a really nice simple pattern for a scarf or your summer top or the other lacy pattern you like to have. Let's get started. Based on the size you like, you have to have stitches. In this case I'll just make some stitches, but I have to do, I take the first one as the edge, then next one pull, next one knit, exactly like a rib. We are going to knit one pull and knit one stitches, and we keep continue until the end of the row. Just knit one pull, one knit, and the last one as a edge. Row 2 we are going to repeat exactly like the one we did, just the stitches pull, the knit stitches knit. We keep continue like this until we reach our desired length. As you can see here, just I knit the pattern like a rib, but imagine this is the size I need, but if you need for a scarf you have to knit more rows. Then for the last row what we have to do, we are going to take the first one, the stitches with the pull we are going to just let it go, and then take the knit stitches in another hook. We keep continue like this, just the pull stitches we are not going to take, just let them go and keep continue until the end of the row, like this. Now what we have to do, we are going to just release the pull stitches. But make sure keep continue until the end of the row, like this. As you can see here, the other side, you have a really nice knit stitches that they can be used for any kind of project, like as I told you, for a scarf or for summer top. Keep continuing like this and the result should be the same as I told you. As you can see here, this is really nice and lacy. That's all. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you for watching and have a great day.